bringing things together that are different and making them work is really important to me. And
it's about uplifting people.
The piece represents that diversity within every individual, within culture.
My sculpture is of a teardrop, which basically acknowledges the pain and the suffering over the years.
All of the people in the animation are responding to the question, how can we flatten racism and better support inclusiveness in the Waikato?
I love the idea of using art and all the different medias to actually reach a wider audience.
I hope that this piece will engage people when they hear it.
I guess I want people to think about themselves and be open to other people's views and perspectives.
The Kotahitanga United Through Creativity project is a creative response to racism that emerged during the lockdown of 2020. The team at Creative Waikato worked with the community funders to develop a response that called upon creativity to celebrate inclusivity in the Waikato region in a way that fought against the racism that was emerging at the time. Through conversations with Tarita and Dennis from Trust Waikato and Jenny Nand as a community advisor, we developed this program that would call upon the many varied voices of artists in our region to celebrate with positivity the diversity that exists in our community.
You know, when we speak about racism, it's negative, it's dark, and it's heavy. I wanted to highlight colors of different cultures, patterns of different cultures, and dialogue that we can have.
So for this project, we decided to do an open call to the creatives of the Waikato region. This meant that we could call upon all of the many varied art forms that exist, from painting to weaving to music to film and everything in between.
Kia ora Waikato creators, this is a call out to you. 10 opportunities for $1,000 for one incredible cause. Creative Waikato and the Waikato Community Funders Group have put forward an opportunity for local creatives to remind the region and afar of the goodness and kindness in connection. Whether you dance or sing, paint or write, carve or weave, whether it's theatre or music, you choose how to deliver a message on unity or kotahitanga through creativity.
Kotahitanga means unity, all people together with you and me. Make a piece of art to share around, maybe words or painting or even sound. Submit a proposal, share your ideas. Make a statement that's loud and clear. We are an inclusive community, Waikato through creativity.
The open call had a response from many artists who came forward to share their creativity with our community and to make a collection that was accessible and told positive stories that were delivered through community newspapers, through our online gallery, through video documentaries, and through the practical artworks that are part of our collection into the future.
I wanted to bring together all these very different pieces and form something to make a beautiful whole, and for me that's what I think Kotahitanga can do.
Alongside celebrating inclusivity, a big part of Creative Waikato's mission is to inspire creativity, and we wanted to inspire creativity and inspire the future generations. And so part of that was the reason why we took from the first collection and developed the school kit with the school kit team, and that pulled together a number of the artworks and made it into practical exercises for children throughout the Waikato to take part in, to create works like these and to celebrate their own kindness and their own sense of inclusivity in their communities.
Be kind to the poor, be kind to the rich, be kind to strangers, be kind to mates, be kind to nature, be kind to even mean people. Destroy hate with kindness, be kind.
The Kotahitanga collection is a growing project. It's a project that places the power of art as a tool for social justice at its forefront, and we're continuing to look at ways to expand that kaupapa in the way that it connects with our community. As such, in 2021, we commissioned 11 new artists with 11 new engagements and 11 new ways of telling this story. For Creative Waikato, our mission is to have creativity in the lives of everyone, and the real reason behind doing this is to make our world a better and more interesting place. So anything that we can do to inspire people to use creativity as a tool to engage with the community, this is the vital part of how we can make the Waikato and the wider New Zealand a much more friendly place to be. And the joy of doing that through art and through art that pulls upon many different art forms is the idea that While not every artwork speaks to everyone, there is art that speaks to everyone, and it's just about finding the thing that resonates with you. And the Kotahitanga collection is a great way to explore that. So if you haven't seen it, go to kotahitanga.gallery.nz and check out the collection, the videos, and everything that is part of this growing collection.